American Tramo, we are our own enemies. E levy by Badwimba, Nyanseni, Obi our dog and Bia Cassette ya. D levy a bar, we are Badwimba Yansenia, Chilewagane. Kofi Oduro, ya na hypocrite in ye. Fake doctor Nasem Krawankeni. Kofi Oduro, fake doctor Nasem Wankeni. Any Opambour.
Ghana no another country of beef. Beef everywhere. Opia tuja. Opia than the fireman. Opia efa. Is that what you say? Concerning Dumsor Levy, I say amount for to any abasano. Avraham Moshe wabeke kanadune. Ever and some prophet Opambour kanye. Kum chacha ekanye. Prophet Kofi Oduro ekanye. Dear bigger case ebe kanye. Dear Kokumen ebe kanye. Dear Kevin a community ebe kanye busia. Avraham 1,000 wabeke clash with all these people na enyasim kuma. Aha Penyah broke media. Let's rather any demo. Over like a video, no other room. Over subscribe button, click the notification for the latest updates. Now better than what you and the mama ever comment section. Mess of baswa. No she will offer to any be action. 80 Dumsor Levy Abba Amagana no. A much a be defended a bit attack. Dumsor Levy no and we here because His Excellency the Kaipa said on the 13th January 2025 after forcing by then who was the finance minister designate joined the ministerial vetting. Eshe Ghana for it said he knows how to boost revenue without introducing any new tax. That was his worst. It is a economy no about from Beye said the Krana Massa. Or say he knows how to boost revenue without bringing any new tax. And almost a defender say, oh, yeah, buy a crown no fuel. Now at 14 point something. And I said, now no, above my if you got turn 11 and the visit turn 12 any other. As what it? And he said the one sleeper later cry ever to swap. Normal. And I said, they say either 12, near the ones required to swap. I got 13. It is still lower than what we came to meet. Almost a difference in a buy, you know. Where any sum up, Prophet Kofi Oduro Ebekan.
Now I am asking His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Your Excellency, good morning. If we pay for that levy, will ECG's bosses still be at post? Since they are causing financial loss to the state, I'm asking, will they be at post? The people that are causing us the mess, will they still remain in their position? I want to know. Me, levy buy. Obiani church him levy chain. Because on behalf of the ministry, we paid it. See, one day we paid levy early morning, 30,000 levy. We were transferring 300,000 Ghana cedis for cement from the factory. We paid levy 30,000 in the morning, one go. It means when we talk about that, we go internet see someone
Kum church as we there be once you know Esa about once the day. Esa no for being count.
President John Mahama, me boo food too much. Yaba ye NDC buy ye more better to a cabebre. John 10 for a jato. A Canada so pa. Na John Mahama waba, we are supremo because John Mahama, who were new what you will be new. And I buy Ghana for Toma from 1992 ever a bin see that. That's it. What better to cabebre John. That's it. What the tax ever to Dumsor so. That would the one cedi pay. Only just one cedi pay. And I would buy to Dumsor so. Certain as I would the one cedi to so. I said, I would buy 10 cedi and now 20 cedi and now 50 cedi. Now they are to so.
Opambour, especially the same story. Say there be once it is I say pa. Can we be people about two? Would you let me better so once repair? It's massa. It's
once in the answer.
Problem
everything not a calendar.
Problem person who say what out my form.
I was some going to 2 cities.
It's a bigger quiz ever candidate. Emma Kwaku back can be fine. Go when by on body defense. What I said, well, when was that dress? Because I tell Dumsor Levy, you know, I do not judgment. I do not take a crack. Emma Kevin tell 1,000. The president of the NDC, the boss, the general, overseer of the NDC party. Kevin tell us about a candidate. Now, Emono, Anna Avraham Moshe said there be Ghana the hypocrisy. And too much. Nya chomono edons rodo. Some abanda daneti for levy. Let's who defended Dumsor Levy. Avraham say in fact, uye nya chom na oya sebi abua.
Kofi Oduro, bra.
Oh, someone saw for the musicians singing than the politicians. American Tramo, we are our own enemies. He levy by Jimba, Nyanseni, Obia Wadogan, Bia Cassetia, D levy a bar, we are by Jimba Yansenia, Chelewagane. Kofi Oduro, and the yes so smart as shifty blame, Shadio Babe. Kofi Oduro, one we are hypocrite in the system in a Yahumu. Yahumunina, why? Yahumunina. I'm going to check out TikTok. Kofi Oduro. We are seven. Never. Kofi Oduro.
Now, I speak to Jubilee House. It's my assignment. Yeah. Sit down, let me tell you. It's irresponsibility. And I'm a Kofi fuel levy. Abba. Somebody is responsibility until we are going to pay.
Oh no, let's say, D levy na abano. Will be irresponsibility. Meaning of a sort, let's say, you will be na ye mistake. And until you bet you D levy. Kofi Oduro. And ye levy in Suana ye to Yano. And ye NDC for the year mistake and another buyer or see entry ye levy near Fairface Ghana. One so be shifty blame. And the blame na Kwaku swa MPP aban say ye betua D levy. Na D levy na ye betua no. And ye very good see betua because na do aban aye mistake. It's ye betua D levy. So
fuel levy, yeah. Now I am asking His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Your Excellency, good morning. If we pay for that levy, will ECG's bosses still be at post?
One question Obisa. Obisa say you to D levy na. ECG boss obewo post still ana. Because they are advocating say yem pamo crofobia. What is your problem with somebody being at post and the payment of tax? Since I'm not a bad check here now, who is at the post? Well, or be shifty blame. Say ye chia, ye be pamu ECG boss nana. As a man of a baby say.
Since they are causing financial loss to the state, I'm asking, will they be at post? The people that are causing us the mess, will they still remain in their position? I want to know. Me, you levy by. Will be any church in Motia, you levy church.
So, only problem, people at post. Meaning he doesn't have any problem. Say abanya waba was say Ghana for ye komu Ghana for ye bre taxes ni bu ye kom omu baya omu petu betwa tax bim wom endi me he ya kofa tax for fraud ya be soa ye komu say me to a liter of fuel a me ntua 1 cedi 12 cedi bia 1 cedi 12 cedi bia 1 cedi all say drivers e kweda Abraham politicians fuel omu nto fuel. Politicians don't buy fuel. Anawni. Another hypocrite in here. Fake doctor Nasem Kra Wankedi. Kofi Oduro. Fake doctor Nasem Wankedi. But we have a bunch of hypocrites in the system. Bakudi Kofi Oduro. Onye. Bakun Sunye. Bakun so any Opambour. Maybe I said, no, so that I speak to Opambour.
Patrol, as I bind that and I broke a cannon share, and more say, and more day, and more day. You put here and ye, only for Patrol Muslim 3 billion US dollars. 3 billion US dollars. And yes, prophets, and yes, when it is billion in dollars, then Master, yes, can one some prophets.
Sikakasi.
What you put down? What just can what you put down there?
Padaroma, again with our papa.
And I come to one of pay.
I don't pay over every made it into coming and patrol. And no man me
Into a year top petrol. Samimi told me, I bet him 1 city.
1 liter beer, but
1 liter, we bet him 1 city. Every 1 liter, we bet him 1 city.
Prophet.
Let's say, Sunny, a bear, a bear scripture, a canning temp, a canning. I understand.
Yanasum, that's it.
Now, 1 gallon, you are, and I'm the free. Time over better, not put 1 gallon.
About Auburn.
Auburn,
1 gallon must be 25 cities and 20 cities.
Ain't you know? You got another buy 8 years. You could do that.
The patrol could do 95 cities. 5 cities to 100 cities, patrol. And then patrol 1 liter, you could do 18 cities, 1 liter. Patrol.
To say Mama buy one year present.
The patrol, what this one must say about 48 cities.
Petrol.
Gallon, Marco.
1 gallon.
Patrol.
And no 50 cities.
And you 50 cities, patrol.
1 city may inside.
Robert,
everything that's a calendar.
Robert, but I want to say what I want from.
I was going in 2 cities.
Because what is
what is
Nobody is against the payment of taxes. But the government be at the tax back. Now we cassetia, who should be back your rice here cassetia. Mebua catch them. Kofi Oduro, or chat, he levy you to a he levy dear. Mussolini tonight, a cassetia, a didina not what him. John Muhammad the taxi a bar. Opambour say a shot. Na yentu. Ye na yewaha. Opambour. Who ye penyini? Me nkasenti yaw. Na openyini ana wo konfo. A be hye kuro se kurumbo no kuro ri se ya. Ye nyina yeti mu bi. Na de ebe me ya ne se ye tutu transport ne ne yemamu a wo no Opambour onya omo kasama party. Fuel kra ye mo nto. Na me de mo ko bo omo a ke na ma mi coupon na me akwachi fuel me another hypocrite ni Kwaku menu na Kwaku menu o se Ghana fo tag hypocrite Kwaku, we respect your hustle say we pejaye obia one star ba ye nyina yemfa no krentena na said ya mumususu say akoyi amamu na monye bi di no je followers ene ye fans so nya bi ni me waya made bi me mankasa ebe da unim adekro Kwaku menu waya made bi ba me pese me ka ho asem enna nche kofa yarefo bi sa boy bi a amazing boy bi a ne nsa twetwa no na boy na betina ne show so na boy ne say me say nyankopon na aye ne saa ti mene ne nya debate o se me makasa ti obi oyaleda mankasa odi bi kwa yo keteche frifa sana o yandisi ni wen yi weni mu da na nsen ya na we be yi weni so yandisi ni na utro shades e de mananado na utro shades fake doctor nursing no e nanado pension ka Kwaku menu be so camera di levy abey Dumsor tax e nanado pension anka Kwaku menu be ye video ba konsun me amini pa bigger quest wona ka kire kume wood for say kume wood ni bi obeto aba e de ama MPP no ya boa when this number or the fake doctor ba wan kasa when this number or the tax abeswae wan kasa another one me am body kum chacha ma show video no kum chacha say 1 cedi ni kure so kum chacha so say no yentua Yanko, the owner of NDC. The owner of NDC. But NDC for now, maybe line is a CRI. The owner of NDC, only the friend Kevin Taylor. Chesiano, met me a catcher on authority say, a branch here wake us to say NDC party near the day. Tiabaco.
John Mahama again. Their target will be me. Their target will be me, Kofi Taylor. That is why you need to address me as Mr. President. Because until I speak, nothing works on the system. And that is what makes me powerful. Indeed, you don't underestimate my influence in Ghana politics. And I told
the Bacho,
you, right? John Mahama winning election. John Mahama again. Their target will be me. Their target will be me, Kofi Taylor. That is why you need to address me as Mr. President. Because until I speak, nothing works on the system.
Also, no Kevin Taylor. I'm addressing as the president. Until no Kevin Taylor be kasano, nothing works in the system. And this is for Adia Kevin Taylor the very shamono. Mr. Makachram.
And that is what makes me powerful. Indeed, you don't underestimate my influence in Ghana politics. And I told you, right? John Mahama winning elections, no? Because I said these animals will start gathering up. They will start doing grouping. They will come in different names. They will start to say things. Don't be distracted. The focus should be.
The anti fake doctor no diabano. Fake doctor na or no kofa dick. Fake doctor diaba. Doctor Ansansa Usawan. Awodenaba ya kamo edina ko ra NHIS mu on ferry so no sign your president of Ghana. Thank you, Yanko.
Or building the nation. The focus should be about building this nation. My catch them, I've built it. Da. Nothing new has happened. People from BNC.
It was say the focus should not be say fake doctor. No. Focus on your nation building. Now you build your man. You go for fake doctor ba. Okay, and nanche. Me catch now say we as one. Anokwafo ebi ni mami we. Mami we, your friend is Sam Sewa. My friend is our TikTok mother. Lady na you say black sheriff nebano. My friend is our mami. Or NDC ni. Or Kuma John Mahama. But D Levy na abano. Look at sincerity and honesty. Why? No wonder. Jadie.
Yet what NDC MPP forecast say, you buy to do so beba. That's not why I'm going to do so. So now I'm in a okay. And no, a Juma's excellency, na all the tenure maso any piano. Sad Dumsor Ababa Cataso. More Sako Aqua Musa see Dumsor Levy. Adding. Share some more council of elders. Most more for council of young. Aye, as and come home. No one can some number bonds, no one tins on the country. It's very difficult to or because what will defend the idea. If you are coming to defend, who defended the what to tip petrol so? When you sell the tax better so. I didn't say I want to see the limits be. Now one fan socket. What an another bemu. So what idea? Taxes on wine when any land they pass you so they cheer. And so what be and I'm going to limelight. And some of the bounce was say communication I did jack a book to one member defend this answer, no kind of whatever. What kind of him? The young snap or mobile barbon thing about the explain to the people. No telephones, I must to be my woman. And one member can not a group upon any more say. Now, more can say, Jay, when you are able to about my mom. So now by sabotage the amunyai. Because I did with explain kindness in. What a 10 year muscle. Petrol no, and I think petrol to say, and I deliver back to so. I didn't want to petrol no. One will say, okay, petrol, I just 10 cities. Tesis na ye cheso no because of ye Dumsor ne beba no indirectly no ye cheso 7 never 3 series no ye fa support your penny say Dumsor no and obi eni ho asem kuaka but they say that papa say mama mo defense aye mo twa de mu ade be chese say say na crop explain we twa de mu ade chana well how can you defend this thing and this for I don't want to go to petrol so 10 cities na ene ma na ba for fine that's it but I didn't want to so 7 nenka 3 I want to so 5 nenka 5 that eno no mo fa enko support to e pere say energy no na dum so kwa mo ba so go na free ho no mo because we do something I am headache. I am headache. Because some kind, I'm passing by I'm passing by it's more patchless. Huh? They come and walk around your friend and say, hey, you see Dumsor Levy, and you say for him. It's what to me a simple energy levy. Now minority now was free parliament no
my problem is now say be Tabish is not making sense. Yes. But I'm proud to say yeah NDC ni only munyansa kura no we who said no o criticize you be de udi bia ba Jaina ye to aba ye na ye de oba no ye ho kwan se ye so ye kasa. When you keep quiet you become a hypocrite. Ni Jimmy mu kura no ni Jimmy mu mpo no we who said Adie we enkoyi. Yentrawe. The same thing. Levy ban. Tiwe papa we.
We will pass it. Whatever they want to do, we will pass it at the right time. They can't do anything. We are in government. If they claim it will make us unpopular, why wouldn't they stop? But they know this is going to transform and change the lives of Ghanaians.
They say, so we have power. Now why do you say power anti? Ube ye de wope, ube di akaka ben someone. NDC. 4 years Penyah Mahama wo. Na do 8 years aba. Eda de John Mahama see akonwa so pe. And who say Kevin Taylor ye video share. Ye wo 4 years. 4 years e wo papa. Share 4 years. 4 years. Baba 1 year never. Tiwe. 11 your catch Ghana for ni.
We will pass it. Whatever they want to do, we will pass it at the right time. They can't do anything. We are in government. If they claim it will make us unpopular, why wouldn't they stop? But they know this is going to transform and change the lives of Ghanaians. They know this is going to reverse the consequences of the COVID. They know this is going to put our fiscal space in the right perspective. And they are afraid that Ghanaians will continue to build their goodwill and confidence in this government. So please, we need a levy. And those who are saying that we should reduce it to 1% and go. Boss, if you want something to be reduced to a certain figure.
All the MPP for ye, MPP for di me masem. MPP for kasatse Ghana yomodia. Chema won to me e behave to say we are say ne dia. Honorable Kennedy Japan na di open work and e wa hu. And e wa hu. We all we dey. Afe young can say Kevin Taylor Code Mickey ever chile na adwene
so you let me free wo obese ni pa han nipa oba na o che so introduce tax bia enti we ni free unim so be introduce tax any e okoye sa na wan say you free okoye sa anhwe ni mu ni e de can you jai na we enra ne preko na tu sika no say the strategy any level ben o de ni pa adwene be dia bro sa ye niam a trend why we no so be do running nyina mu the finance minister acto force we investor the American out here or call parliament no do hono or present or because I parliament na dey amekofa na o mejitum e pass amount o mu yi levy from no kofa parliament wo to we so e hono mo san de ko e tie ne sen mama
to help raise additional revenue to fund the needs in the power sector. Government is proposing an increase in export price of petrol, diesel and related products.
To also person mo dey fund needs na power sector hono na it me stabilize electricity ni my na Dumsor ni fuel entia
esan say MPP aban edi nkwase ase muti no omo ba ya no se containers bi ayera containers ayera na container no omo ekum bi o Chinese fo bi nchen container no ebi wo Indian fo bi nchen me bi samo container na ayera anana container bi ayera yes one comment containers na NDC for be catch ye say ayira water port no containers no esi ho anana ayira yes mon comment here to be try mon comment here na containers ayira anana containers ayira the betum futrogo yeni they said the omu gu MPP amagana hwe asiankasa na de mu ye nya de sa are we okay are we normal say container ira na container mobile phone obi de in back pocket oko port kra ekofa emo manjirin ba akon ye behu age efre wonse port na container me say omo fi say ye jimi dear question who are one can wasem if you don't complain if you don't speak you are enemy to the state me say one kasa dear question o mining both NDC and NPP me say NDC ni ba de enko yi akasa NPP ni ade enko yi akasa sa na yetena de mi kan wan yantomu a we ya boa simple
Chile wa jema me e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media.